Hello, dear student of class 6. Welcome to DEV Moyle Public School online e-learning session of social science. I am your social science teacher, Mr. Manish sir, and today we are going to learn about Judaism and Jainism. Dear student, these are two religions in India. Judaism is the religion followed by Jews or the Hebrews. The Hebrews, the first lived in Mesopotamia, and Abraham was their leader. They migrated to Palestine, ancient Palestine. Hebrews established their United State in Palestine with Jerusalem as their capital in 70 Common Era. The Jews believe in one single God, Jehovah, Yahweh. They believed in coming of Messiah on the earth to purify the Hebrews and cleanse the world of all sins. Old Testament and Apocrypha are their sacred books. This scripture contains the history of Jews and the rules to be followed by every Jew. The people are supposed to offer prayers to God every day. The Jewish temple is known as synagogue. So, dear student, it is all about Judaism. Here, the book of Jews, Apocrypha. And this book contains the history of Jews and the rules to be followed by every Jew. Okay, dear student, it is all about Judaism. Now, we are moving on Jainism. We know Jainism is also the religion in India. There were 24 Tirthankar in Jainism. The first Tirthankar was Rishabdev. There is a lack of information about the first 22 Tirthankar. The 23rd Tirthankar was Parshvanath. Here the picture of Parshvanath. He was the 23rd Tirthankar. He belonged to the royal family of Kashi. He attained the supreme knowledge, and his teaching were to adopt non-violence. Here, to adopt non-violence, not to tell lie, not to steal anything, not to own property. So these are later become a principle of Jainism. Non-violence, truth, non-stealing, and not to receive anything which was not voluntarily given, non-possession, and celibacy. Means ahimsa, satya, asteya, aparigraha, and brahmacharya. These are the principles of Jainism. Dear student, Parshvanath preached that to attain moksha, penance was must. Later, his teaching became the doctrine of Jainism. It is all about the principle of Jainism. Earlier the name of Mahavir was Vardhaman. He was born in 540 before Christ era. Mahavir attained Kaivalya, or we can say supreme knowledge, through which he conquered the feeling of pleasure and pain. After this, he was known as Jindev and his followers were known as Jains. He left for his heavenly abode the age of 72. Vardhaman Mahavir preached the same teaching as his predecessor and added fifth one, Brahmacharya. So, he wanted his followers to discard wearing clothes. Jainism was divided into two sections: Digambars, who do not wear clothes, and Shwetambar, who wear only white clothes. Dear student, Mahavir suggested ways to attain moksha. Mahavir suggested three ways to attain moksha. These were right knowledge, right belief, and right action. So, these are known as Triratna or three jewels in Jainism. He laid great importance on ahimsa or non-violence in one's life. Kalpasutra in Sanskrit. Kalpasutra in Sanskrit is the famous work of Jainism. It contains biographies of 24 Tirthankars and the rules to be observed by Jain Munis. Mathura and Ujjain were the main center of Jainism. Jainism flourished mainly in western and southern India. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Malwa, Orissa are the states of Jainism. So, dear student, this is all about Jainism. I hope you understand. So, here assignment questions on today's topic. You should write these questions with its answer in your notebook. Okay, dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. So, thank you for today and thank you for watching this online video. Thank you for making me a part of your day. Have a nice day ahead.